We're also following developing news from Attica tonight. News 4's Rachel Kingston has just learned new information about what's going on at Hillcrest Industries. Rachel.
The DEC has shut down Hillcrest's furnaces. Up until now, they were still cooking, even while the EPA works to clean up the pile of burning refuse outside. The furnaces have not been causing the foul odor. They are, however, thought to be the source of another health hazard in Attica: little pieces of glass floating into the air. These microscopic shards are created when Hillcrest crushes the glass. When they're released into the air and people breathe in that air, those glass pieces can get stuck inside people's lungs.
As they crushed the glass, the glass particulates were flying up into the air through their filters, whether there was faulty filters or maybe through their stack somehow. And the DEC is going to deal with that problem. This is something that the residents here have been asking for probably approximately 6 to 8 months.
The DEC has ordered Hillcrest to fix the furnaces so they'll stop spitting out those tiny glass pieces. After Hillcrest makes those repairs, DEC workers will come back to test the furnaces, and only if they pass the test will the plant be allowed to turn them back on. Live in the newsroom, Rachel Kingston, News 4 at 11.